India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar participated in the G4 Foreign Ministers meeting held in New York alongside his counterparts from Japan, Germany and Brazil. The ministers reiterated their long-standing demand for comprehensive reform of the United Nations, particularly the UN Security Council. Dr. Jaishankar, in a post on X, said, and I quote, "Glad to join the G4 Foreign Ministers meeting along with colleagues Takeshi Iwaya, Johan Wadephul and Mauro Vieira in New York today." G4 reiterated its commitment to reform the United Nations, including the UN Security Council. It also assessed the current state of the intergovernmental negotiation IGN process, unquote. Earlier, Dr. S. Jaishankar called for zero tolerance towards terrorism and urged international communities to avoid any form of accommodation or indifference to terrorist activities.
A persistent threat to development is that perennial disruptor of peace, terrorism. It is imperative that the world display neither tolerance nor accommodation to terrorist activities. Given the extensive networking among terrorists, those who act against them on any front actually render a larger service to the international community as a whole.
Speaking at the G20 Foreign Ministers meeting in New York on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly, Dr. Jaishankar referred to ongoing conflicts like Ukraine and Gaza. Jaishankar said that such geopolitical tensions directly impact global energy, food and fertilizer security, especially in the global south.
Our focus today is on the correlation between international peace and global development. In recent times, that is well established, as both deteriorated in parallel. The costs, especially to the global south, in terms of energy, food and fertilizer security, were starkly demonstrated by ongoing conflicts, particularly in Ukraine and Gaza. Apart from jeopardizing supplies and logistics, access and costs themselves became pressure points on nations. Double standards are clearly in evidence.
The EAM further said that the global peace and development have seen parallel deterioration in recent times.
Peace can certainly enable development, but by threatening development, we cannot facilitate peace. Making energy and other essentials more uncertain in an economically fragile situation helps no one. Therefore, the way out is to move the needle towards dialogue and diplomacy, not in the opposite direction towards further complications.